na Vivi. Now what for you? Imuchala stinginess. I can't shigigi pipi. Since I don't beg you for like 2 cups of rice since 2 weeks now. Make I use coordinate small something for my children. You know gree give me. Now what for you? I don't know you like this before.
Don't worry. I go give you one more dish sharps.
You go give me. I will make her like you. Be my friend now. After now, what is it? Monopoly if you are in wine.
I beg you get water so much.
Which water?
That water we buy that time.
Who are you? You don't finish. I don't drink them. You too they beg. Not you they beg, beggy. No good, no they beg like that. Woman not supposed to beg up and down.
I see when you buy water, some too much. Make I drink water. No be they beg me like
You don't finish.
Our wives. When I went on,
I don't even know as Nkechi they take manage this thing when marry as husband. See what if person go carry marry say na husband keep for house.
Look at this.
2 inches. This is my friend. You can go. Here you measure. After you are my family.
You know the better person know how to rice.
What be this? What be this? Jesus.
Hey, you when they do like this, that's what your husband do. Go, mumu enter gutter, drink finish, enter gutter. Agbora, bolata. See what you go marry say na husband.
Since they bring my husband come inside this matter here now. You never say they get co-wife.
For where?
Your husband don't give another woman belly.
Nah lie, this one na because I tell you, won't tell me back, nah lie.
Nah lie. Okay. That the way you go police station. Should be your husband thief. They arrest him.
Which kind
Your
of
husband bonyosi.
Which kind of be that?
Your husband bonyosi na I'm robber now.
Why you gonna talk say my husband na armed robber? I tell you, who tell you said what? Now what carry me go to station that day? No be say na you know not say na accusation. They accuse her.
Accusation. Yours roshi enwude ya to buy ananga.
My husband no be thief.
Your husband na thief.
I say my husband no be thief.
Your husband na thief.
I chip my husband no. The water part now, don't forget.
Now you go beg and what?
No, I want us to do it once.
You get short.
See what thing I want me to get. First of see, like this.
Okay, that means I will do your own style now.
Yes, just which water?
Pure water. That pure water. Here I say I've been see you when you buy water.
Take it again. Action.
Wait. You never get that. First of all, look, do like this.
You go look am, then you can't do.
You understand? Man, do am again.
Yes, I want to take you. I want to drive out. Picking up and action. Our wives.
Wait. I want us
Mona
to
do
do
it
it
together. We
I want
just
us to do it. As him pass, we just
Our
friend my friend.
I be no be so. Okay, you no say.